Donovan Mitchell is starting the season on a tear, dropping over 30 points per game with elite efficiency and leading the league in total three-pointers made. With his all-star path looking clearer than ever, Adidas is celebrating his hot streak with a cold new look on his signature line, the Adidas D.O.N issue number 7 Ice Spida. This fresh colorway comes dressed in a smooth clear sky blue across the tongue, collar, and padded lining, giving it that cool winter vibe. The upper features a white to blue gradient, adding a clean visual flow from front to back. Metallic silver details highlight the zipper, piping, branding hits, and the midfoot plate, giving the sneaker a sleek, modern finish. A crisp footwear white midsole sits above icy blue outsoles, completing the frosty theme. The Adidas D.O.N issue number 7 Ice Spida officially drops on December 15 at Adidas and select retailers for $120.